Hey there, my name is Kyle Foster, and welcome to the channel where we simplify tech, save time, and make life easier. Is your inbox drowning in spam, or do you have annoying promotional emails piling up? If yes, don't worry because I've got you covered. In today's video, I'm going to share a game-changing tip, how to use temporary email addresses to keep your inbox spotless and stress-free. Stick around, you don't want to miss this. Alright, let's dive right in. First, we are heading over to a website called pexels.com. This is a fantastic site for free stock photos and videos, and it'll serve as our sample for today's demonstration. Our goal is to create a temporary email address that we can use to sign up for websites like this. Quickly, safely, and without worrying about spam clogging up our inbox. Let's get started. Now that we've got our sample website ready, let's move on to the real star of the show, TempMail. This is the tool that makes creating a temporary email address effortless. Simply head over to TempMail's website, and voila, it instantly generates a disposable email address for you to use. No sign-ups, no hassle, just quick and easy access. Now, let's copy this email and paste it into the email section on Pexels to complete the sign-up process. After that, we'll create or generate a password to use. Make sure it's something you can remember or save it securely so you can log in again if this account needs to be used in the future. Now that we've completed the sign up, it's time to confirm our account. As you can see, the account has been created, but the last step is to verify the email. So, head back over to TempMail, check your inbox, and click on the email you just received. Once you open it, scroll down and click the confirmation link. And just like that, you're done. No more spam, no more clutter. Your inbox is now free from future distractions and unnecessary mess. By using temporary emails, you'll keep your inbox spam-free, protect your real email, and avoid scams. They are quick, require no sign-up, and expire automatically. Perfect for one-time use, like downloading resources without future spam. If this was helpful, subscribe, like, and hit the bell notification so that you don't miss any new tips I put out. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay awesome.